Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys. Going to talk to you today about some of this quant. Now, let's mention this before we get into it. We know that Bitcoin is above 100,000 at 103. Ethereum is pretty much almost at 2,400 at 2395. Fear and greed is at 71, which is not bad. Market cap is at 3.3 trillion. So things are going pretty well in the markets right now. Let's look at some Bitcoin dominance, which is right now at 63%. Now let's take a look at, let me see if I can get to our friend Quant. I'm just going to have to type her in. I've been searching a lot. Let me try that out. Very good, very good. Rolling right in. Quant right now is down, which is a good thing for us since we're trying to accumulate and get more of it. So that's going to be a positive thing, but down 4% at the moment. Let's see, volume is still up. I noticed though, volume is still up by 48%. So this is kind of early time for it. So we'll see what the heck's going to happen here. I'm noticing, I haven't mentioned this before that I know of, but I noticed that Quant has over 200,000 followers on CoinMarketCap. That's a lot. So just saying that this coin is very popular amongst a lot of people. So just keep that in mind. We noticed that say Quant on the hourly chart shows a significant move up and notable volume. Prices broken above the previous records, etc. So it's a lot of positive things happening right now. Let's look at the 7-day. 7-day. Oh, this is good for us personally that are investors. Just saying. One of the things we know, those that have been here a while that really know Quant will realize that there's only a circulating supply of 12 million. And since Quant is in demand, no matter what you see on the red, you're okay, as long as you're willing to understand that. Over the 1 month, we see that Quant is up 40%. So although you saw those reds there, you realize that that's just a small dip down overall. So keep that in mind for my investors, because of the fact that just because something falls in a day or falls in a week does not mean that it's falling. So look over the 1 month. The 1 year, I can't, let's see, let me see if that's down. Yep, I'm thinking that it is down. Yes, just a tad bit. This is showing that Quant has a lot of potential and we can scoop it up now so that when it really does rally, that we'll be in a great position to get as much as we possibly want. So just a heads up on that. Let's realize that Quant is, now that it's down a little bit, we can make sure that we get all we need in our bag, so to speak. Now let's go over some Quant news and see if I can find some of that information as well. This is from, let's see, Coincub right here. And so it says Quant price prediction is a breakout coming. It says Quant has made itself as a core infrastructure player for institutional grade blockchain use. Its flagship platform, Overledger, acts as a universal connector between private and public blockchains, allowing banks, corporates, governments to integrate blockchain technology without replacing legacy systems. Now, with the launch of Quant Flow and the Pace Script rules engine, the company is moving deeper into programmable money, enabling real-time liquidity management, automated financial workflows, and seamless stablecoin integration. I'm not going to say much more about this, but this is an article on Coincub. It's a really good one. It just came out a few minutes ago, as a matter of fact. But they're going into detail about why Quant is growing, why Quant is really, how can I say, getting more and more popular amongst investors and business people. Just saying, man, this thing is not going down. It's going on the way to being more popular and up. Got some more good news for you. Quant price forecast, Quant poised for next leg higher as buy side pressure builds. You notice how that pressure has been staying stable at like 90, 90, 90, or 100, 100, 100. So this is what we're talking about by that buy side pressure. So let me see if I can go a little bit into this. Quant is stabilizing near 100 after rebounding from a key support earlier. On-chain reinforces the bullish outlook with Quant's spot taker accumulative volume delta turning positive and trending upward. Oh, this was the thing that I wanted to mention. And let me just go ahead and just highlight that for a second, if I can. It says, adding to the positive sentiment, Robinhood EU has announced that its European customers can now access quant trading, potentially expanding the token's investor base. So this is Robinhood EU. So keep that in mind. Just a heads up on that. We want to understand that Robinhood is a big investment tool, and the Robinhood EU now that is how can I say trading quant. So that's a positive, very positive thing. So most likely, if Robinhood EU is trading it, it may expand trading throughout the world as well. So that is just another avenue and another exchange that is going to be able to uh, trade quant, buy and sell quant. So, guys, we got a lot of positive information still going. Don't forget, let's look on Twitter a little bit. X, also known as X. I got to keep that in my mind. So, right here, don't forget, and let me get those little drawings out of the way. Don't forget right here. So, right here, if I can find it. There's 2 weeks to go until this year's EBA day, and that's going to be in Paris. Says on Tuesday, 27th May, our founder and CEO will be live on stage to discuss how the partnership between banks and fintechs will evolve in 2025 and what success looks like. Quant network team will be there also. So, so this is where we're going here. It's going to be in Paris. When I say we, I'm not necessarily going myself, but at the same time, all the quant investors need to realize that this is going to be a huge event. So, very exciting event held in Paris. I want you to understand that Quant is the one doing the presentations. Quant is the one doing the talk. Quant is the leader. Okay, when it comes to CBDCs and other banking relationships in Europe. So Quant is moving up and Quant is doing very well. I want to mention this very briefly that I know that some investors already know, well, the US is not moving towards CBDCs but I want to say that's at the moment. Understand that do not be surprised within the next 3 to 4 years that the United States shift its position away from where it is now, and then all of a sudden they may want to get involved with the CBDCs. So don't think for one moment that quant services will not eventually be asked for elsewhere. Don't forget that Quant is also teaming with Oracle, so that doesn't mean that there's not an American market at all, but not necessarily remember, nothing we say on the channel is financial advice. But what I want to mention to you guys is the fact that Quant is growing by leaps and bounds. It's not going to stop growing. It's just going to get more popular, not less. So keep that in mind. Also, making money work, go to the Quant website, research for yourself the different things about Quant. Quant is really moving forward. Money now fit for our digital age. Do not forget, as far as like what Quant is going for, who Quant serves. Quant serves corporates, banks, and capital markets. Quant is going up, up, and to the right. I got a good, strong, positive momentum feeling about Quant. But I'm gonna kind of give you my honest thoughts on this. In my personal thoughts, in my personal opinion, um, if I can do this, and I think I will, I'm going to accumulate more quant, no doubt. But I may just wait um, to the next Bitcoin cycle to even think about selling it. I mean, I got a really, really good feeling about quant. When I say a good feeling, I mean like financial prosperity type of feeling. So just my thought on the matter. I wouldn't be so quick to sell Quant at any price lower than what I would feel comfortable with. Personally, 10x should be simple at this point. 15x. I wouldn't be surprised to see a 25x, but I'm just saying like right now, let's just stay quiet. Let's stay conservative as far as like our mentality with where we're seeing the price. Do not let this choppy market get to you right now, and also just invest just to invest. And what I mean by that is, I mean like don't try to flip profit tomorrow. This is a long-term play, but it's one of the best in the entire market. This is Al with Real Life Investing. Y'all have a great morning. Don't forget about Quant. It's one of the most scarce players in the game, but it's also on top of the scarcity, it is becoming in more demand.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.